Hello, dear learners. Let's learn another set of sight words. The first word is rain. Rain. Sentence. It rains. Say it with me. Rain. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is read. Read. Sentence. I read a book. Say it with me. Read. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is real. Real. Sentence. It is a real pen. Say it with me. Real. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is ride. Ride. Sentence. I ride my bicycle. Say it with me. Ride. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is ring. Ring. Sentence. It is a ring. Say it with me. Ring. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is road. Road. Sentence. It is a road. Say it with me. Road. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is room. Room. Sentence. It is a room. Say it with me. Room. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is said. Said. Sentence. Mom said no. Say it with me. Said. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is same. Same. Sentence. We are both the same. Say it with me. Same. Now say it by yourself. Good job. Now let's quickly see all the sight words we learned today. I will show them on the screen and you say them quickly. Ready? Go! Excellent work, children. You read all the words so clearly and confidently. Now don't forget to complete the 2 worksheets I've added for you. They'll help you remember today's sight words even better. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next sight word video. Bye-bye.